So what about Cindy? Have you done? Can you see all the buttons? You only need the first four. First of all, commands to set up the button. No, you don't need the others. Only the task.json. It's no workspace. Okay. So have you typed it correctly? It's tasks.json, not task. Yeah. So what about the top? Have you?
Yeah, I have finished it.
Okay, good. So Frank?
Yeah, I have it working.
Okay, okay. So Cindy was, can you show the screen to us? Okay, yeah, I will just enable screen share. Yeah, yeah, and the task manager, have you seen? No? Hmm. Okay, VS Code, right? VS Code, tasks.json. Can you try press Shift Control and P? Yeah, same time. Shift and P. Yeah. Just to search, reload the window. Reload the window. Yeah, second one. Yeah, click it. Just refresh it. Can show the buttons. Hmm. Okay, let's strange. Module. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we can do we can figure out how to do it. Final one, the recommendation we have for the plugin is it's a git list. It's called a git list. Git list. So what it does is so we install the git list. Here git list. And if you have a git commit history, it will show you, see, it will show how last week first commit, right? It will show you the commit message you have if you're using Git. And if and then the Git graph plugin, it will show you so Git graph is this. So this is a Git graph. It actually shows the history of this program. So after you install it, it will show the source control. And if you click this view Git graph, it actually shows all commit history I have for the program. Say, for example, I committed the first commit is on April 16, and then I add some branch and then I add some more information and the code on 18. And I add some a little bit additional library on 24th. So that's pretty much some useful plugins you can use for the VS Code. And finally, for to wrap up today's tutorial, we have learned the CMake project from scratch, and we compare the difference in terms of different compile options, and we are getting familiar with address sanitizer. Now I have a homework for you to do. Homework consists of 2 tasks. Task 1 is to write a program. Very simple, is to increase integer from 0 to 1 million. And you need to compile the program in debug mode and release mode, and use the code in the program I gave you to measure the time it takes and compare the performance difference. The second task, the homework, is to just realize. So I put the code in this in the picture here. Just type in all the code and run the code in debug mode and release mode, and see the warnings given by the address sanitizer. And finally, just try to explain why the address sanitizer complains about this piece of program. Okay, any questions about the homework and the entire tutorial?
No question for me.
What about Frank?
No questions. Seems straightforward.
Okay. Cindy, so I will help you to figure out your problem offline. So other than that, have you understand the basic ideas about the CMake and all the compile stuff? Good. Okay. What about Shang?
So far so good. I didn't participate after the address sanitizer, but I'll get that done after.
Okay, good. Okay, so I think that's all for today's tutorial. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to contact me, okay? Good? Good. Okay, good. Okay, see you next time.
Thank you, Longhao. See you next time.